Introducing the RMFI token, a revolutionary cryptocurrency and decentralized financial solution that aims to disrupt the financial industry and change how we interact with money. With its unprecedented tokenomics and versatile utilities, the RMFI token is positioned to become a leading force in the cryptocurrency market. The RMFI token is backed by a strong and passionate community of supporters, dedicated to the success of the project and its users. RMFI, the next evolution of blockchain technology, is designed to power a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem that offers a wide range of unique utilities. Here's how it works. The RMFI token is the catalyst for the network and the engine that drives its success. Hold RMFI tokens and reap the rewards that flow through the ecosystem. Whether you are mining for coins or using other services like music and merchandise, you'll be rewarded for your participation in the ecosystem. The RMFI token presale has opened, giving early investors a chance to earn. At the moment, while more real-world assets are being developed, the lifetime benefit of being granted a multiplied return on all RMFI universe and RMFI token faucets will ultimately constitute as an airdrop, or should I say drip faucet or game faucet. The main priority of the RMFI universe platform is to change the view of crypto and NFTs pertaining to the average public opinion, by understanding what makes them a scam or utterly useless. Also by asking, what achievable benefits would an investor need to obtain in order to feel pleased and fully satisfied with the investment. Be very aware this platform is geared towards the full automation and gamification of society, which means that we have taken measures to calculate how vendors can get goods to consumers even faster than by flying bots, including other useful topics of that nature. The power of resource transferability is a key principle behind the theory of wealth and its role in human history. The ability to move large loads and access new resources was a major leap forward in social advancement with the invention of trains and other modes of transportation. Today, we can see a similar trend happening with the growing use of blockchain technology and the emergence of cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology enables quick and secure transfers of value in a digital landscape, much like the revolutionized transportation of goods and resources in the past. It is clear, I am the founder of RMFI Universe and its native currency, the RMFI token, the next generation of community-driven tokens with a mission to revolutionize the global economy by making wealth accessible and democratic. Through its unparalleled portfolio of utilities and partnerships, RMFI is set to be the ultimate ecosystem for everyone, regardless of financial background or location. Join us on a quest of creating global wealth and prosperity with a commitment to sustainability, accessibility, and the promotion of a more equitable society. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to be a part of the future of wealth creation.